So today, Obi Cubana is receiving a chieftancy title in Enugu-Ukwu called Obi One of Enugu-Ukwu. Congratulations to you, Obi Cubana. Na ima na ihe na-eme adịrị easy. Yes, so ihe anyị na-ayọzi gị na bụ ka eme gịnị ka enyelu ụmụ Igbo aka. Yes, so congratulations on your chieftancy title. But I want to use this opportunity as I congratulate you to make a special request to you that you should help our Igbo young people. Yes, the youths of Igbo. Help them to start up businesses. Help them to be gainfully employed. Help those that need help in Igbo land. It's not just good enough for you guys to be flaunting words here and Cubana chief priest, enviable. The rest of you guys know yourselves. Help everyone else that are in your community. If it's to come down to Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, or wherever, you can, build like a skill